This should be pretty awesome. So let's open this up and see everything that we get inside. So there you go, that's the box. So very cool. There's a bunch of little stuff here. Okay, so here is the manual. So definitely open this up, take a look. Few things to go over and take a look at. So one right away, it looks like it takes 2 AAA batteries that I can see. That might just be for the remote. Well, let's take everything out. Okay, so that is your cool little handheld remote. And your accessory kit, so you have a USB charging cable. So I assume that's probably going to be for the kayak, so let's get that out as well. So how cool does this thing look? So that is the little kayak part. You got a spare one. Neat. You got a couple spare propellers in there. I'm not going to take those out. So this is your screwdriver for the remote. I think I got this done. Okay, so that's your battery compartment. So 2 AAA batteries. Let me go get those. Okay, so we got our AAAs. I'll put them in like this. I'll put that little battery compartment back on. That goes in there. Tighten down that battery. I love how this is just all nice and that's the power button right in the middle. So it's looking a pair, but I love that it's got that. 2 little controls. I'll turn that off. Okay, so it has those 2 little propellers back there. And it looks like this is the plug to plug in to start charging. So that is your plug, and then you plug it into any like USB power block. Pretty neat. Okay, so let's plug this in and we'll let it charge up for a little while. Okay, and it's kind of off camera a little bit, but the power chargers turn red. My delusion is they'll probably turn green or go out when it's fully charged. And let's take a look at some instructions in here while that charges up real quick. Okay, so make sure that you put this down. This will help it from basically capsizing. And it has a little sensor here that is going to sense the water. So that will activate it, and you may or may not see this because it's so bright out, but this will start flashing, looking to connect with your remote. Okay, I'll turn the remote on. Okay, and you'll see them starting to go. Pretty cool. We'll get them going out pretty far. So pretty neat. And he paddles like crazy. And then when you're all done, basically just put it up, dry it out, recharge, and you're good to go. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mall Hall, thanks for watching and be safe out there.